Hey guys, back with me again in this channel. So on today's video, I'm gonna show you how you can remove a green screen on the CapCut PC. So here I've already added two videos on my CapCut PC. So this is the main video and here is the green screen video. So to remove the green screen, you can just click on the video with green screen on it and then find the video tab. Then click on the cutout, enable the chroma key, then click on the color picker and drag it to the green color on your video. And here you can just slide the strength and also the shadow. Just adjust it like this. Okay, then after that you are done and here is the final result. Okay everyone, so that's all for me. I hope this will be helpful. Thank you so much for watching. Please don't forget to click like, thanks, and also subscribe. I'll see you all on the next tutorial. Bye.